Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word document into PDF. Check these steps. Having this and you want to convert it to PDF, this is Microsoft Word document, as you can see. So for it to convert it to PDF, all you need to do is go to File, click on it. I'm using Microsoft 2010. Go to File, click on it, then go to Save As, or you can simply press F12. So the Save As file type, I'll change it to PDF. So you click on PDF, then go under your PC, then go to desktop. So this is where you save your documents. This is the desktop environment. This is the name. If you want to change the name to another name, you can just simply type it. So, and click on Save. So let's look at the file and open it. This is it, Basic T. So double click on it, you see it's converted. Here you have your PDF file. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.